let's get your Samsung water problem fixed. If you have a model that has a water filter right here, you also have a water tank in the back that can leak. Easy way to detect that: take out the drawers and look under that compartment. It should look like that. Where is this thing? It should look like that, okay? And you are looking under this compartment to see if you have a slow water drip. Take your time, as it may occur very slowly. Once that happens, you're gonna want to change your water tank. Either you order just a water tank, and you're gonna take this compartment out, take it apart, and replace the water tank in there, or you can order the whole compartment, which makes it very easy to install. Not very easy, but it's much easier if you had to get just a water tank and you had to take this apart and replace just your water tank. The next problem that can happen in which you will find water is when your drain pan, which is right here, gets clogged. This gets iced up and your water can't go away when your refrigerator goes into a defrost cycle, and you will find water in your bin right in there or on the refrigerator floor as well. Sometimes that can turn into ice, but that's not a big deal. Alright, once you have this problem, you need to go to the back of your refrigerator. Pull out the refrigerator, go to the back of it, and find a part that looks like that. That's your drain hose. Take that off and take it apart, and it was going to look like that, and clean it, because very often these get clogged with dirt, and that will do the same, give you the same result where you have water in your drain, in your bin. And also you will need to defrost your drain pan. Let the refrigerator open and unplugged for this water to go away, or if you want to use a steamer or blow dryer, however you can get it done. And once you do that, you're going to need to take out this piece right here, and you're going to replace it with that. They call this a drain clip, and this is how it's going to look in your refrigerator when it is installed. Once you do all of this, you should be fine. If you happen to be in the New York Rockland area, give us a call. We'll come and help you. Or if you have other problems with your refrigerator and which is not adjusted here, go to rocklandserviceinc.com and find a video that is more to your specific problem, that is more adjusted to your specific problem. rocklandserviceinc.com. Thank you. Bye.